Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona. And today I'm joined by my good friend Riad Hartani, the founder of Xona. Every year we meet on the show floor at Mobile World Congress to discuss what's hot or not. Welcome.
Thank you. Pleasure to see you, Isabel, as we do most years.
Yes. Quite a few years now, huh? We've been meeting up at Mobile World Congress.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's a pleasure.
So, so you've been roaming the show floor, Riad. What do you think is the hottest thing this year?
2025, there are a few things, but if I had to pick one that I think is fundamental, it's got to do with this convergence, space networks and terrestrial network. So, and specifically low Earth orbit constellations with 5G and so on. So if you look at that, we discussed it a few years back. I think we were ahead of our time, but now it's really happening where you have constellations up in the air with service offered on the broadband side, and we're getting into a phase where we're talking direct to satellites communication, and you have multiple approaches, right? Both on the satellite operator side and the 5G mobile operator on the ground. So I think that there are few questions there. I think I will probably list the top two or three that are fundamental. One is how are these technologies evolving, and which one will be the winner, or which ones will be the winners, because there may be multiple ones. Number two is the challenges as far as adoption, business case, cost structure, scale. So we're going to have to look at how that evolves. Then there are other challenges as far as, I would say, more tactical, technical, as far as harmonizing spectrum, having things work worldwide, a lot of issues to sort out over there. And I think the last one, probably equally important, is the geopolitics behind that. Because we're talking new models with few constellations. You have maybe 1, 2, going to 3, 4, 5, like over the next few years. So the geopolitics question will be very important. Who partners with who, and where, and when, and why, and all of that. So for me, I think as 2025, this is a key question. We're going to probably see deployment in 27, 28, 29. But as of today, decisions have to be made by mobile operators and satellite operators as well.
Okay, I think that's super interesting, and I think it's going to change the future of our industry. Satellite was very popular when we started, when we were young, and then it was quiet for a long time, and now it's coming back. So it's very interesting.
Interesting times as well. I mean, there are multiple reasons for that. I mean, launching, building the satellite, operating them, and the money behind it, and the politics behind it. So yeah, looking forward to interesting times in that space.
Riyad, thank you. It's always a pleasure to talk to you on the show floor.
Thank you very much.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.